Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's time to start the summer season or spring season. First thing we got to do is fix our Kioti. This winter, when we were out clearing some snow with it, Kim ran into a curb. No, I did. Dented it pretty good, so we had to buy a new tire, new rim. First thing we need to do is get this thing up off the tire. Get started. Oh, you gotta sit on it. Dandy half-inch impact. Just 5 little lugs. What do I got on here? 5/8. Tire off. And put this one up. Got our welds in the back. We got our air valve up front. Now try it. That's good. Good. All right. Get all these started and then we'll tighten them up. In the world. One hole left. There it is. Okay, you ready? Just snug them up, and then we'll go down and in the star pattern, we'll tighten them all up. We'll start right here. Okay, tire done. That tire can go to scrap. I think the rubber might be okay. We might be able to save that tire, so. But the rim's gotta go. There you go. We'll go ahead and put a quick wrench on it and just tighten it up by hand too. Yeah, you see how much more I can turn it by hand? Easy. Easy turning it by hand. That's it. Tire done. All right, that's it. Kim's got her toy back, little Kioti. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below. We'll get back to you, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.